Today we are going to be making mashed potato and chicken bowls. This meal is super easy to prepare and really quick. The creamy garlic potatoes, the sweetness of the corn, the chicken gravy adds a salty, savory flavor, shredded cheddar cheese. The chicken is crispy yet tender and juicy, and the green onions really take this to the next level, making it look just as good as it tastes, because you know you eat with your eyes first. It's especially delicious on one of those cold nights when you're cuddled up in a blanket watching your favorite show or movie. It's one of my all-time favorite comfort foods. And if you're making this for someone special, I can guarantee it's going to not just warm their belly, but their heart. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I love making videos about cooking and homemaking. So if that's something you're into, you're definitely not going to want to miss some of the videos I have coming out this year. If you like the video, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot and lets me know what kind of content you guys like to see best. To ensure your chicken strips turn out crispy on each side, make sure you flip them halfway through the cooking time. For my chicken strips, that was flipping them after 12 minutes. Once your potato water is boiling, remove from the heat. Add your instant potatoes, stir. Heat your corn. Chop up your chicken strips into bite-sized pieces. Now we are ready to plate our chicken bowls.